Now let us see the another set of 10 vegetables name. Here see sainjan. Sainjan means drumstick. Okay, drumstick. Then same. Same means beans. Beans which gives fiber to our health. Then the 23rd is kacha kela. Kacha kela. Simply we can call kela as banana. Yes, okay. Kela as banana. But here is kacha kela. Okay, we can cook it. That is plantain. Plantain. Then tomato. Tomato means tomato. Then chucundar. Chucundar is beetroot. Chucundar is beetroot. When you are having anemia for the people who are having anemia, they have to take this beetroot juice daily. Okay, they have to take beetroot juice daily. Then the 26 is dhania. Dhania means coriander. Dhania means coriander. Then the 27 is peda. Peda means pumpkin. Peda means pumpkin. Then 28 is lahasun. Lahasun means garlic. Okay, garlic is very important. You know, garlic is very important. It purifies our blood. It purifies our blood. Then 29th is saag. Saag means greens. Here greens means we can say it as in Tamil we can say it as kirai. Okay, greens. In greens we are having more types of greens. Okay, palak, plantain. Okay, plantain. Then another is in also drumstick plant also we are having greens. Okay, then the 30th one is chimakand. Chimakand means yam. Chimakand means yam. Okay, yam. Let us see once again. Sainjan. Sainjan means drumstick. Same means beans. Kacha kela means plantain. Then tomato. Tomato means tomato. Then chucandar. Okay, chucandar means beetroot. Here dhania, coriander. Then peda, pumpkin. Then lahasun, garlic. Saag, greens. Chimakand, yam. These are the important vegetables. Okay, these are the important vegetables. Daily taking a vegetable, we can increase our energy. Okay.